Okay, so we continue with the substitution method in exercise 3.3. Let's look at number 5. Root 2x plus root 3y equals to 0. Root 3x minus root 8y equals to 0. Okay friends, so this looks a bit complicated because of the square root over here, but I'm telling you, this is the easiest question in this exercise. We'll get to know why it is. Okay, so as usual, we name this equation 1, we name this equation 2, and as usual we proceed like this. From equation 1 we get, yes, from equation 1 what do we get? We get this root 2x plus root 3y equals to 0. This means that we have to write root 2x here equals to, and then we transfer this entire thing over this side, so it will be minus root 3y. Okay, now since we want only x, we want only this value x here on the left hand side, so everything that is with x, root 2y, will go downside of this root 3y, so it will be root minus root 3y divided by root 2. Okay, this is equation 2. Okay, now it looks a bit complicated and difficult, but you will see that this is the easiest question in this exercise. Okay, let's proceed. Substituting the value of x is equals to minus root 3 by y root 2 in equation 2. Okay, now we write what is equation 2. Root 3x minus root 8y equals to 0. Now instead of this x, we write this value, right? That is called the substitution method, right? So root 3y minus root 3y divided by root 2 minus root 8 equals to 0. Alright, now so this is simply nothing but we are substituting the value of x from where? From equation 3. Okay, let's continue. Now root 3 into root 3, root 3 into root 3 is 3, so we have 3 minus, that is, we'll put the minus at the front, so minus 3y divided by root 2. Okay, and what about this minus root 8y? We transport this minus root 8y this side, which will become positive, so minus root 3y divided by root 2 equals to root 8y. Okay, so okay, okay, so now we have root 3 into root 3 equals to okay, now root 3 into root 3, that will give you 3, so minus minus 3y divided by root 2 minus root 8y equals to 0. Okay, from where this is minus, this minus is this one. Okay, so root 3 becomes 3, so minus, we're writing the minus here. Okay, so we have y here, another y here, so we can take y common, so we can write it like this. Y, let's take it outside. Inside minus 3 root 2 and minus root 8 because this y is outside the bracket equals to 0. Now this whole thing that is with y, we can transport it to the other side. So y equals to 0 divided by minus root 3 root 2 minus 3 root 2 minus root 8 bracket, still that is 0. So y is equals to 0. That is your equation 4. Now we write substituting the value of y equals to 0 in equation 3. We get what? We get where's equation 3? Equation 3 is this equation. Yes, it's this. So x is equals to minus root 3. X is equals to minus root 3 y by root 2. So x is equals to minus root 3 into y value is 0. So 0 divided by root 2. Anything multiplied by with 0 is 0. So this is 0. So at the end we have x equals to 0. This means final x is equals to 0, y is also equals to 0. That is your answer. Okay, so this is not as tough as we thought.